Good morning, guys. Today I will continue the second part of the formatted input output operation. In this video I will teach you the extration operator and get method, and one more method is a getline method. In this video I will teach, this is nothing but an extration operator. It is used to read the data. This is also used to read the data, and this method is also used to read the data. So let me differentiate between these three concepts, which method will used in which concept. So let me start from the first, extration operator. Okay, so in this extration operator, first thing is all the above methods all the above methods are defined within the class istream, and as we know, to support istream class we have to use iostream.h library file. Okay, so let I will first teach you the extration operator, and then we will go for the limitation of the extration operator, and we'll switch to the get method. Okay, let I will start the C language first, sorry, C++ first. So here we are. Just a moment, guys. Okay, so in this first I want to get the string. I want to get, what is my requirement? Write a program to read the string and display that. Okay, so first let we declare the string first. Play a screen, and let we send the message. Enter the string. I'm using cin extration operator, then I will just use the variable name, because I want to get the string from the user and want to store this in a let we check that the output, and let we try to display the a. And here we have to include two library files to support our program. The first one is iostream.h to support the cin, which is the object of istream class, and we required one more file and that is nothing but an conio.h, and it is used to support the clear screen and get.ch. Okay, let first I will save this program, and let me run this program. So here the message is there, enter the string. I want to write down hello, and we will get the output a equal to hello. Means using this extration operator we can read the string, and I displayed the string over there. Okay, let once again I want to run the program. Here please note down this thing. Here the size of my inputted string is 56. I have a capacity of 56 characters to read. Okay, so let once again we run the program, and I want to input hi space hello. But observe this, here we get the hi as output. Means hello, we cannot read the hello. Why we cannot read the hello? We have a sufficient size, we have a 56 characters of size, but still we can read only hi, we can read, because this extration operator having some limitations. And this limitation is using the extration operator. Let me write down, using extration operator we cannot read space and new line. Means we can read only a single word. We can read only a single word using this extration operator. Now what is what is the solution of this one? If I want to read, what is my requirement right now? If I want to read the whole line, what is my question? Want to read the whole line, then In extration operator is not empowered to read the whole line because it cannot read the space. Then we have a method, and that method is getline is a method is used to read whole line. Means using the getline method, using getline method we can read the space, we can read the space, we can read. Okay, let me try to run this program also. What is my requirement? I want to read the space, I want to read the space, I want to read. Okay, so let me start the new program. In this, once again I want to read the line I want to read, so let me create a string of the size of 56 characters. Means it is much bigger to read a line. And let me include some required files. Let me include some required files, iostream.h and conyo.h, and let me set the message cout, enter the string. And what is my requirement? I do not want to use this extration operator. I want to use the getline method. I want to use the getline method. So here the getline method is a part of, it is a part of istream class. So we need object of istream class to access the getline, method. What we required? Getline method. Why we require the getline method? Because I want to read the space, I want to read an extration operator. Using this extration operator, this is the extration operator, I cannot read the space, can't read the space. Then what we required? We required getline method, but getline method is a part of, using the getline method we can read the space, we can read. Getline method is a part of istream class, it is a part of istream class, and to access the method of some class we require the object of that class. So here the object is, object of istream class is cin. The object is ready and the object name is cin. So let we use this object to access the getline. So we have to use cin.getline. What we have to use? Cin.getline we have to use, and here we have to pass two arguments. It requires two arguments. It requires what getline required? Sorry, getline method requires two arguments. First is destination string, means in which you want to store the data, in which you want to store the data. The second thing is length. How many characters you want to read? Because we have to terminate the getline at least. What we have to do? We have to terminate the getline. Getline can read the whole line, but from this whole line how many characters you want to get, you have to just specify that number of characters. You have to specify the number of characters you want to read, number of characters you want to read from that inputted line. Okay guys, but here getline method can read n-1 characters from the inputted data. Means if you specify n as a length of the with the getline method, then you can read n-1 character. Okay, I will explain this using the example. What I have to specify here? First I have to specify the string name in which I want to get the data. So I specified a. What is a? In a I want to read the data I want to read. So let me specify a, and second I have to specify the number of characters I want to read. But here I have to specify n+1 characters. I want to read 10 characters, so here we have to specify 11 characters. We have to specify what I want to say. I want to read 10 number of characters I want to read, so we have to specify 11 characters we have to specify. let we display the data, so we will get the perfect idea. Let I will save this program first. What I did in this program, I declared the string, send the message, enter the string. Using getline, I tried to get the data. Here I have to specify the name of the string, and n+1 characters I have to specify. How many characters I want to read? I want to read 10 characters I want to read. So I specified 11. Okay, and then I just displayed that data to check. Okay, let me run the program. So here the message is there. I want to read 10 characters, so let me provide the input data. Here hello is there having 5 characters, and I put space 6 characters, and once again I want to write down world. So how many characters I inputted? I inputted 11 characters. Hello 5 space, it is a sixth character, and world, it is next to 5, means total 11 characters I inputted. Let me press the enter, and we got hello space WORL. D is not readable. We cannot read, we could not read the D because we already specified 11 here. We already specified 11 here, but our problem was solved. What was our problem? Our problem was we cannot read, we could not read the space using, we could not read the space using extration operator. So using the getline method we can read this, using the getline method we can read the space, we can read. But my next requirement, I want to read the whole paragraph. Okay guys, I think you get this idea. I think you have an idea about, you clear this topic. Okay, now next concept is, what is my requirement? I want to read the whole paragraph. I want to read want to okay, what is our requirement? I want to read the whole paragraph. Whole paragraph means I want to read space, I want to read slation, I want to read new lines, I want to read special characters, each and everything I want to read up to some punctual mark. Like I want to put full stop to terminate my inputted concepts. What is my requirement? I have a much larger string, it can hold more than thousands of characters. I want to read 1,000 of characters, in which I want to read slation, space, special characters, each and everything I want to read. But using this extration operator we cannot read space, or we cannot read new lines. Using this get line we can read space, but we cannot read new line, we cannot read. So let me switch to this get method. Get method having two different flavor. The first one is character get, that means get method can read the character and it return that character. And the second one is get with character pointer as an argument, means it is nothing but an call by address. It is nothing but an call by pointers, not the address, call by pointer. Okay, so here we have a different flavor of the get method can read using get method we can read any type of character, means we can read space, new line, special character, we can read anything. Okay, let me take the example and try to understand this thing. Let me take an example. First I want to just include the supportable files. I want to include first, let me include the supportable, otherwise required files. Okay, now let me start the program. What is my requirement? I want to read a paragraph. I want to read, so let me create a large string. Once again, let me create a 56 characters of string. And what is my requirement? I want, using a get method I can read only a single character, so I will get the character from the user and put that character in this string. I will get the character from the user and put that character on the string. Okay, so let me use the indexed variable. Let me use index variable also. So here let me set the message, enter the paragraph, and full stop for the stop, Okay, what is my requirement? Using the get method I want to read the data. And once again the same thing is there. Get method is a part of istream class, so we need object of istream class to access get method and object of istream class is scene. So using the scene we can read the get method having two different flavors. I will use this flavor. I will use this flavor. Okay, let me go for this one. So first I want to read the data from the user. Cin.get. Why we have to use cin? Because the get method is a part of which class? istream class. So we require the object of istream class. And what I want to do, using the get method I can read a single character and I want to store that character in a of 0. In a of 0, what is the value of I? It is 0. So first character will be stored in a of 0. Now what is our termination symbol? It is button full stop. Okay, up to the full stop I want to get the data. So let me check. If a of I is equal to full stop, then I want to stop reading. If a of I is equal to full stop, then I want to stop the reading. So first I want to check if while AO file is not equals to full stop, means up to until the user does not provide the full stop, up to that I want to read the data. So while AO file is not equals to full stop, I want to just go to the next character and I want to read the data from the user. So let we use cin.get. Okay, so this is the main concept, and after that, to terminate the string I want to just put the null character at the end of the string, and let me check the data. By displaying the let me check the data. Okay, let me save this program and run this program. So here what I want to do, here I didn't have an message of this input string. Let me put the data hello world, and let me put the full stop also. So here we are getting space, as well as here we are getting the space that is not possible using the extration operator. So let me once again run this program and try to get the paragraph. Okay, I will display hello world, welcome to C++ program. This is GI. And how to terminate this one? Using full stop I can terminate this one. So here I am getting the whole paragraph, hello world, welcome to C++ program, this is GI. So using this way we can read a different required data. First, using extration we cannot read space or slation. Using getline we can read only the space we can read, but we cannot read the slation. Okay, new line. And using get we can read anything. We can read special characters, space, or we can read new line also. So these are the concept of getting methods. In the next video I will teach formatted output concepts. Okay guys, if you have any problem, please write down in a comment, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye, have a nice day. Thank you guys.